Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Today we have a topic is Eid, and as we know that Eid is coming in like 2 or 3 days. So the literally meanings of Eid is a festival or festive in Arabic. It is celebrated on the first of Shawwal. Eid al Fitr features 2 or 3 day celebration that includes special morning prayers. People greet each other with the Eid Mubarak, meanings bless Eid. Sweet dishes are prepared at home and gifts are given to the children and those in need. In addition, Muslims are encouraged to forgive and seek forgiveness. Practice vary from country to country. We have a different rituals about the Eid in different countries. Let's talk about what Prophet ﷺ used to do it on a Eid. So the Prophet ﷺ said there are 5 nights on which du'as is not rejected: the first night of Rajab, the 15th night of Shaban, Thursday night, night before Eid al-Fitr and the night before Eid al-Adha. There are other things what our Prophet ﷺ used to do it. He used to rise early in the morning, take full bath, clean the teeth, wear best clothes, wear perfume. He used to eat some dates before prayer so as not extend to the fast. Our Prophet ﷺ did not set out on the day on Eid until he had eaten an odd number of Eid. We should follow his example. Our Prophet ﷺ go to Eid prayer location or the Eid prayer place very early, and Prophet ﷺ used to pray Eid in a central location instead offering in a mosque. Our Prophet ﷺ told us to listen a khutbah after Eid very carefully. The Prophet ﷺ used to go eat prayers by one route and will return to another route. One more thing, while he go for the Eid prayer location, he used to recite a takbir. What is that? That is Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, La ilaha illallah, Wallahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Walillahi Hamd. The Prophet ﷺ used to give Sadqatul Fitr before Eid day. Sadqatul Fitr we give before Eid prayer. If someone forget to give that Sadqatul Fitr before Eid prayer, he can give after. Um, we can calculate this Sadqatul Fitr by own. There's a one hadith which is in a Sahih Muslim. Ibn Umar said that the Prophet ﷺ prescribed the Sadqa of Ramzan. as, as we know, the Sadqa of Ramzan means a Sadqatul Fitr, one sa of a date and one sa of a barley and a half sa of a wheat. What is meant by one sa? One sa means there is one equipment they use to measure the things. For example, if we take in a today's world, one sa is equivalent to, it is approximately 3.5 kg or 4 kg, and half sa means is like nearly 2 kgs. So if we don't know what is the Sadqatul Fitr in our city or country, we can ask the Imam of the Masjid, or we can calculate it by own. And as I mentioned the above hadith, so we can multiply with the barley, wheat, or dates price. Eid Salah must not be missed, as it is a fundamental part of Eid celebration. It is narrated by the Abdullah bin Umar that the Prophet ﷺ used to offer the Eid al-Adha and Eid al-Fitr and then deliver the khutbah after the prayer. Saying Eid Mubarak is a sunnah as well. Ibn Jubair anhu narrates that the Sahaba used to greet each other on the Eid day, Taqabbal Allahu minna wa minka, which means may Allah accept the fast and worship from us and from you. There are few more things the Prophet ﷺ used to do. The Prophet ﷺ encouraged this practice, saying, give gifts to one another, you will love each other. As you are aware, on Chandrat, or before the Eid night, which is first of Shawwal night. Those devils who were tied up now they are free, and our people knowingly or without knowing they just start committing sins that displease Allah. Yet it is the day of pleasure, the day of please Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. May Allah have mercy on myself and yourself. Eid Mubarak to all.